Hey everybody, Greg Davis here at MarineMax in Savannah. I want to show you a 15 Montauk that just came in. Great fishing boat and boat to explore the creeks and the rivers here. Let's take a look at it real quick. First off, it's rigged with a Mercury 60 horsepower engine, very quiet, very fuel efficiency. It does have a boarding ladder in the back. So if you did want to go tubing or get out of the boat, you do have an easy way to get in and out. Comes with a nice galvanized trailer, just a whole package, easy to tow. This boat will go in most garages, which is a big selling feature for this model. Let's get inside and I'll show you some of the other features. Hey everybody, back inside the 15 Montauk here. I want to give you a quick rundown starting at the bow. You notice here the stainless steel running light holder and chocks for your running line. This one is rigged for more on the fishing side with the trolling motor plug, has a 12-volt outlet up there. This also has your anchor locker here, drains overboard, everything's nicely finished, really good quality. On this model you have the cooler here, part of the fishing package, which is the cooler, the backrest, rod holders, the compass. There is also a 12-volt plug here and a USB charger. This is for your running light. Goes in up through the bimini. Does come with a bimini. Has great coverage for the shade. This one rigged with the JL audio stereo system. We put a Garmin unit in this model. Great chartography and fish finding capabilities. JL speakers down here. This model with the fishing package also has a live well pod in the back here. This is your live well here. Rod holders, drink holders, 5-gallon bucket storage slot for your pliers and a knife. It has a 12-gallon external tank here. Makes it real easy to fill. Just a great all-around boat. Little things Whaler does. There's tackle storage here and also a slot for your fire extinguisher so it's not in the way when you walk around. Great little boat for exploring in this area. If you'd like more information on this model or any model we have here in Savannah, give me a call, 912-897-9881. Thanks.